Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. Friday freebies in my sharing is caring is the weekly appointment that you cannot miss on my YouTube channel. Every Friday I share a page or a couple of pages from one of my kits. This week I want to share this wonderful page from my newest collection, which is the autumn background. And as usual, keep watching so you can see how to download it. And in regards to sharing is caring, that's my opinion in life. The best accomplishment is sharing things with others. This is my thought, and this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for watching my videos. Put a thumbs up, like, comments, buy my kits, and etc. So all you guys do for me, this is my little way to give something back to you guys. Keep watching, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so this week Friday freebie is this one. I haven't, I think you guys guessed really well when I showed you on the video I shared on Monday. I show you this kit, and I said to you, one of these pages will be part of the freebie, Friday freebie this week. So yes, you guessed right, and I hope you guys watched my apple and cinnamon cookies that I have mentioned in that video as well. So this page here is part of my autumn background kit, and is a kit that is made of 11 pages. When you get all this beautiful autumnal background, they've all been designed with this color palette, so everything is mixed and match. As you can see, all the colors blends really well together. So when I picked and designed this texture, I mean, I've not designed the tartan or that, I did put it all together. So I wanted something that blends really well, and there are few colors that all actually match. So anytime that you guys want to do an autumnal project and you pick any of the background, you can actually use the rest of the paper as you know, to do adds up if you wanted to. But today this is going to be gifted to you guys. Okay, before we go, just want to do a big shout out to lovely Linda though. She left a really lovely message on my Facebook group, and I will put it on the screen here. And also I want to share, I get lots of questions every week where you can find these freebies on my Facebook, but I put on the screen so it will be easier for me to show where to find them. Okay, so I want to share with you a lovely post. It's quite an old post from Linda Doe, but Linda is very active on my Facebook group. I absolutely love this. It says, I finished my Butterflies and Flowers journal. The cover is made from crumbs of coffee dyed calico over padded envelopes on cardboard. Tossing up where to add a tassel. Thanks for looking. I absolutely love it. She's using some of my freebies as well. Absolutely love creation. And each page is very, very, very detailed. Absolutely love it. Look at that. It's a cute little pocket. Love it. That's my embellishment. So if you guys come to join my group, you find tons and tons and tons of inspiration from all different crafters. So go on Facebook, search Antonio Makes on the group, and this is what the group looks like. While I'm here talking about Friday freebie, if you click on files here, this is what you see if you log in from the laptop. I am assuming that if you looking on Facebook from the iPad, it's pretty much the same, but on the main bottoms here, you need to find files, and you can see all the list of the freebies. They are all PDF I've shared in the last couple of years. There are 9 millions. So yeah, absolutely. So please feel free to download them. So for instance, they're all in PDF. So if you click on that, that's my Egyptian, part of my Egyptian group. Again, download what you want. They're here, they're for you. Guys, how do you get the freebie? You got different ways. The first way is join my Facebook group. Okay, join my Facebook group. If you click on files, once you logged in, you see all the list for all freebies that I have shared in the last couple of years. They're all in PDF, so it's easy for you to save them on a computer. So what you do, guys, right click, save as, and you download your PDF into your laptop or iPad. Number 2, you can subscribe to my newsletter. I send one email every Friday, occasionally during the week, but very, very rare, unless there is like a launch, a kids launch or a paper launch on Friday with the freebie of the week. So in that way, you guys get a notification every Friday and you will get all these freebies sent to your email, and you automatically save it on your laptop. Or number 3, you can send me an email with just a normal empty email. We'll put a subject freebie to the email address that is linked down below, and you guys I'll send you all the collections of my freebie, and I will then add your email to the newsletter. So going forward, you won't miss any updates and any freebies. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to check out my giveaway that I shared with you on Monday. As I said on that video I shared on Monday, I'm just gonna leave it for another week and then I will pick 3 winners. So if you're not sure, go back to the video shared on Monday. Make sure you enter the giveaway. 3 amazing prizes to be won, 3 lucky winners to be picked. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well.